10 most extreme machines ever built. Shockwave jet truck is an embodiment of badassery. It's loaded with 3 fire-breathing jet engines, generating a staggering 36,000 horsepower and a 19,000 pounds of bone-shaking thrust. Shockwave jet truck is certainly the king of all badass trucks on the planet. It also holds the record of the fastest truck on Earth, which means those engines aren't just for show. Aeromobile SRO is a Slovak prototype roadable aircraft. In other words, it's a car that can fly. Although it would be more precise to call it a mini aircraft that can move on the road, but a flying car sounds cooler. Aeromobile is targeting ultra-rich supercar lovers, who just want to have a unique vehicle in their garage because practicality it's almost useless. It may look like a rocket, but thing does not fly. Instead, it runs on road at the speed of whopping 1,600 kilometers per hour. Although this British supersonic land vehicle is still under development, it is being built only for one purpose: to set the world record of fastest land vehicle ever built. A Eurojet EJ200 jet engine will take the car to 480 km per hour, after which a bespoke hybrid rocket designed by Nammo will boost the car up to 1000 miles per hour, 1609 km per hour. A third engine, a Jaguar supercharged V8, will be used as an auxiliary power unit and to drive the oxidizer pump for the rocket. Now, that's creative engineering. Until now we have seen roller coasters that moves forward and backward, with riders sitting on a fixed position. But that's all going to change soon. Roller coaster ride is going to be more thrilling and adrenaline pumping in the near future. This newly developed roller coaster has seats that have free spin of 360 degrees. The rider's weight decides the rate of spin, giving a unique experience for everyone. This Titan-sized plane gets power with 6 turbofan engines, and it is the world's longest and heaviest aeroplane ever built, with a maximum takeoff weight of 640 tons. This mega-sized airlift holds the absolute world records for an airlifted single-item payload of 1,89,980 kilograms and an airlifted total payload of 2,53,820 kilograms. It has also transported a payload of 2,47,000 kilograms on a commercial flight. This Japanese extreme machine is the world's largest bulldozer in production. It has 1,150 horsepower, 860 kilowatts, crawler available as a bulldozer stripper. Equipped with a standard blade, both versions are capable of moving 90 cubic yards, 69 cubic meters, of material per pass, although the D575A3SD Super Dozer is capable of moving 125 cubic yards, 96 cubic meters, of material per pass. The T282B is Liebherr's largest, highest payload capacity haul truck, offering the world the second largest haul truck payload capacities in the world, up to 400 short tons. This big badass machine is used primarily to coal, copper, iron and gold mine operators in the USA, Chile, Indonesia, South Africa, and Australia. If you want to have one of these for whatever reason, you'll have to shell out $5 million per piece. When it comes to mega machines, nothing looks more extreme than this earth mover. This mammoth does the job that nothing else can do. Using mega buckets attached to giant wheel, this machine digs as high as 180 meters. These giants are among the largest vehicles ever constructed, and the biggest bucket wheel excavator ever built. Bagger 293 is the largest terrestrial, land, vehicle in human history by weight according to the Guinness Book of World Records. What makes this machine so incredible is its extreme size. It is the largest movable technical industrial machine in the world. With the length of 502 meters, it's the lying and moving Eiffel Tower. In the working condition, it weighs around 13,600 metric tons, making it a super heavy machine. This machine is a vivid impression of humanity's ever-growing curiosity and innovations. The Large Hadron Collider, or LHC, is the world's largest and most powerful particle collider, the largest, most complex experimental facility ever built, and the largest single machine in the world. The motive of the LHC is to allow physicists to test the predictions of different theories of particle physics, including measuring the properties of the Higgs boson and searching for the large family of new particles predicted by supersymmetric theories, as well as other unsolved questions of physics.